Let's go on a Taka hunt! March along and send this on, but be ready for a surprise! Here we go! We're looking for Taka in the land of fire. I'm not scared. What are we going to find? Wow, look at these boulders. We can't go under them. We can't go around them. We can't go through them. I guess we have to climb up these boulders. Here we go. There's something up these boulders. Do I know what I think it is? It's the Firebird! Run away! That Firebird didn't want us around, but we've got to find Taka. Let's go again. Here we go.